students, how are you? Now see question number 12 of exercise 9.1. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. See student, here it is given, this one is building and this one is tower. So building height given 7 meter. They are saying from the top of a 7-meter high building, building top and angle of elevation is given 60 degree. This one is given 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot, angle of depression this one angle is 45 degree. So this one become this one, alternate interior angle equal A, B, C, then D, E. Like this you can name it. So we will work in two right angle triangle ABC and ADE. First of all, we will work in right angle triangle ABC. Let height of cable tower equal to EC according to question. In right angle triangle ABC, AP upon BC equal to tan theta. 7 upon BC equal to tan 45. 7 upon BC equal to 1. BC equal 7. So BC become 7. See student, if BC becomes 7, then AD also becomes 7. DC also you know is 7. Now we will work for ED. For that, now in right angle triangle ADE, ED upon DA equal to tan theta. ED upon 7 equal to tan 60. ED upon 7 equal to root 3. ED equal 7 root 3. Therefore, height of cable tower ED plus DC. ED is 7 root 3. DC is 7. 7 you will take common. Root 3 plus 1 meter is our answer. Now see question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. See student, this one is tower, this one is straight highway. A man standing at the top of a tower, observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Angle of depression like this from top to bottom. Angle is given 30 degree. So this one become 30 degree by alternate interior angle. Then which is approaching to the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of car is to be found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, this one angle become 60 degree. this one angle become 60 degree, like this. A, B, C, D. See student, like this figure. So till here to here, time taken 6 seconds. This one is not distance. Car will cover this city distance within 6 seconds. So they are saying find the time taken by the car to reach the tower in how many minutes. This one they are asking. So see, question is very important regarding exam point of view, board exam point of view. In right angle triangle ABC, see student, AB upon BC equal to tan 60 degree, AB upon BC root 3, or you can write student BC equal AB by root 3. Write like this. After this you can write now in right angle triangle ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan theta, tan 30 degree. AB upon, in place of BD, BC plus DC equal to 1 by root 3. Like this you can write. So AB root 3 equal to BC plus DC. BC value you know how much? AB root 3, BC you will take on this side, AB by root 3 equal to DC. So root 3 become LCM, root 3 into root 3, 3AB minus AB equal to DC. 2AB by root 3 equal to DC. After this we will use unitary method to solve this question. If car cover distance DC, DC means 2AB upon root 3, then time taken 6 seconds. 6 seconds. If car cover distance 1 unit, then time taken less, 6 into root 3 upon 2AB. But demand of BC is AB root 3. If car cover AB by root 3, then time taken 6 root 3 upon 2AB into AB by root 3. AB cancel with AB, root 3 with root 3, 2 3s are 3 seconds is our answer.